I got some travel tips of personal items that you put in your carry-on bag that you take on the airplane. You'll be able to use this with any type of bag that fits under the seat of the airplane. I like to take a scarf that I can use versatile with any outfit that I'm wearing, or if it's getting chilly on the plane or any destination, because you never know. I use this behind the seat. It holds all kind of items in it, necessarily for sanitizing reasons, for cleanliness reasons, but it's to hold your items that you carry so you don't have to have them in your pocket or anything, or keep taking them outside your bag. And it'll actually help with your cards not moving around. If you're like us, we like to play cards all the time, and it'll help your cards kind of stay steady because they're kind of slick since they're waterproof. Another thing that I carry is my essentials emergency that I keep in there. A couple of ginger tabs, because you just never know when you're going to feel sick, and really help us out. Have some Purell singles that we like to use, and tidy wipes, because you never know. If you're like us, we're always dropping something on our little shirts, and you just want to go and get that stain out real quick before it sets in. Portable fan that I like to carry in my carry-on bag, and it also has a flashlight at the end that you can use. It just comes in handy, you know. Sometimes you just get a little hot on the plane, because I'm hot-natured, and it works wonderful. It has a little flashlight. Because you like me, I dropped stuff. One time I dropped my glasses and could not find them because I couldn't see, but this flashlight helped my husband reach down off in there and find my glasses where they were hidden at. Them little suckers just got away from me, so now I've learned to put them up. This is a phone holder that you can use versatile. You can hook to the back of the seats or the table. It can actually stand alone, which is absolutely wonderful. And it just kind of presses out in and out for your phone. I have a hair scarf, especially for long flights. I like to keep the lotion in there. It's a solid. And I know this jar is big for carry-on, but we both use it, and I just keep it in my bag for convenience. You always need pens. You always need bags. Where you never know. Sometimes it's wet clothes or food. We always use some type of bag. So I bring these. I have reusable bags that I like to use anyway at home. So I bring one of each size, and they just come in handy. And sometimes you just always have leftover food and you don't want to throw it away, especially if it's something like grapes or something that you can eat. And these are little sandwich bags or things you can wrap food in. They're that beeswax. They come in handy. As you can see, I use this one quite a bit. It's kind of stained, but they work wonders. I have sanitizer wipes in that bag, a water bottle, and hooked to the bag I have my travel pillow. Now if it's only a couple hour flights, I usually don't take my pillow, but if it's 5 or more hours longer, we usually take our pillows because we go to sleep. I have my medicine, because you never know. Extra medicine, and my vitamins I keep in there. Kool-Aid packs, because I like to flavor my water. And I'll have energy packs in there also. Here's our my tech kit that I like to keep, like earphones, plugs, things that I might need on the plane. The bigger stuff that we have, carry-on luggage. My AirPods, or like lip balm, chapstick. I have a fan, reversible eating utensils that you can use back and forth. I love to use those. I have some individually packed floss sticks and some breath strips. Here's a compression bag that you can collapse, make it bigger if you have more items, or tighten it up. But I use it for my toiletry. I have my deodorant, my eyeshadow brushes, Kleenex. I'll put toothbrush, toothpaste, mascara. I have some dude wipes that I keep in there. Some bathroom spray, eyeshadow, perfume,
and some base. Oh, and a hair tie, because you never know. I like that it's got this little hook. Put your hand in, to the bathrooms, be on an airplane.
And I also carry at the bottom of my some undies. I don't need to show those, but I'll put that in there because ask me how I know. Ask me how I know. You always need that because you never know. Because sometimes when you're getting on, the luggage bins are full and your carry-on luggage they have to take it and put it up under there. So if that happens and your bag is lost or delayed, you don't have anything. So I always carry a couple undies. Sometimes I'll maybe have another t-shirt or a pair of leggings or something that doesn't weigh down my bag that I put up under the seat that I carry on my back because I don't want it to be too heavy.
Here's my carry-on bag that I put up under the seat. I put in my compression socks at the very bottom because it's easier to get to and it's not the rest of my bag. I have 2 compartments on the outside, and I have a bigger compartment on the outside that I can put paperwork in, easy to get to. Inside has a bunch of different sections and zippers, and also at the very back, there's a little hidden section that has a zipper you can put items in. You see all the space that you have to put items just on the inside of it. And then at the very back, you can put important papers because that'll be against your bag. And then the very bottom zipper is where I put my passport and money or anything that I need when I go through after I pass TSA and everything. And then I put it in a better location. At the bottom, I also put some shoes, house shoes or something, because I usually wear my heaviest shoes, and that is for convenience of getting to it.